just come back from church and I have to get ready and organize the house, clean up here and there, and prepare lunch for my children, for my family. It's already coming to midday. I'm already late, so I don't want to waste any more time. Let me just change. Baby is already crying out, but today I have a number of things that I want to do. But for now, I just want to mop the floor of this bedroom and then also mop the corridors and the sitting room and the kitchen because the work is much, by the way. So those are the first things that I want to do. Let me first attend to the baby. He's not like wanting to eat, but he just wants to be with me. Let me go to him. The baby actually just wanted to sleep, and I've carried him a little while he has slept off. That is a bonus for me. I can rush and do whatever I want to do right now, especially things that I cannot do while carrying him. So let me move the house very fast, and if he wakes up before the lunch is ready, I can carry him while cooking. That one is okay than carrying him while mopping the house. So before that, let me just eat a banana because I need to get some energy boost before I start doing this housework. Yeah, so I did clean off camera because my cleaning was not, I kept stopping while cleaning because of the pain that I was feeling, but I'm done with the cleaning. I think I will make my bed later, but I just need to show you some vegetables that I have in the kitchen. Today I have this is called ebo. Help you. This is how they are. This, I don't know how you call it in your language. You can comment for me in the comment section down below. And over here I have this other type of greens, this one, and then I have some sweet potatoes. These sweet potatoes here and these greens were sent to me from the village, and then these ones I bought them from a member of our church who sells she sells some greens in the market. So I went and supported her. I bought these greens. if I knew that they were going to send me these ones from the village, maybe I wouldn't have bought this, because now I see it's too much for us. I have these greens and I have these ones, and yet tomorrow is a Monday. All of us shall be off from home, so we shall be cooking only supper. So I'm going to boil this because this can stay longer. I'm going to boil this and then divide this. I'll get some of this and cook, and then the rest I'm going to give out to my neighbors. Then the sweet potatoes as well, I'm going to pick some. I think these ones we can have 2 meals. These are 2 meals for us. I'll see how we'll cook this. So inside here I've put some greens and some sweet potatoes. So I'm sending this to our neighbor. Can also have a taste. I'm going to send one of the children to take for her, and then this other remaining greens I'm still going to divide and send for another neighbor as well. Just decided to take a nap for a few minutes. I could not continue with the housework. Maybe I just resume now. I just started feeling a very bad pain on my right breast. This one here is even swollen to the extent that I could not even wear my bra. The pain was just throbbing. It is actually the other day when I started feeling funny on this breast. Whenever the baby would suckle, I would feel pain. It kind of reduced, but today the pain came back in full swing and the breast was tender, looked swollen. So when I tried to give the baby, the swelling just worsened. The breast became too big and too painful. So I decided uh, to buy some antibiotics and painkillers over the counter, and I've already swallowed some antibiotics, and I decided to take a nap. I've just gotten up. The pain is still there, but I have to do some work. I want to try and do some work. If it becomes so bad, then I can rest and maybe consider going to see a doctor. But I've not been experiencing this kind of pain before, but this time round, this is a bit much. The breast is very tender and really it's painful. That is the truth. It does not want to be touched, and I don't think whether I'll be able to breastfeed today on this breast, and this one has no milk. is a charcoal stove, and then this is my bucket that I use for getting charcoal. I just want to boil the greens. I've just decided to take a rest. Meanwhile, I'll be going to check on the greens that are put to cook, but I hope I just get better, because this pain is somehow much. And tomorrow is a Monday. I already have set a work plan for the day. I've made some appointments, so I really don't know. I hope I feel better. And the child is also crying. I don't know. And when it comes to me, he wants to breastfeed, and I can't really give him this breast. It is even too swollen, and I don't know. If you've ever breastfed before, maybe you have a remedy for me, because even pumping this breast, it's very painful. Breastfeeding is very painful, and I know it's going to get full of milk. The pain will just get worse. I'm feeling my back is just hurting me, and the breast doesn't want to be touched. So I hope I get better by tomorrow. Okay.